Hello everybody, welcome to Young Investor. I hope you all have a very nice day. Please leave a like if you have any question, comment down below, and let's start with the topic of today. How to invest in the stock market going into 2020 as a beginner. Well, first of all, we need to ask ourselves some questions. What is a stock? It makes me money, right? Well, it's actually a small piece of the company you can buy. For instance, Apple you can buy. Where can you buy a stock or a share? Well, first of all, you need to make a broker's account. In Europe, I will say go for the Hero, and in the United States, I will say go for Robinhood or M1 Finance. How much money do you actually need investing? Well, I always say you can start with $50 because Coca-Cola is around $50 for one share, and it's a very known company. Everybody drinks a Coke, not on a daily basis maybe, but everybody has drinking a Coke in their life. How much money can you make? Well, the key is to invest consistent. What are the best apps, sites for investing? Well, first of all, I would go with investing.com. Maybe my personal favorite is Yahoo Finance, is my everyday to-go site. And the last one I would say, use MarketWatch. Very nice overview, very nice, easy to use apps. What kind of strategies do you have in the stock market? First of all, you have dividend investing. That's an amount that the company will pay you, this on an annually, quarterly, or even on a monthly base. To give you an example, with Coca-Cola, they push their dividends over 50 consistent years. They now pay a dividend of around 3%. That's on $10,000. It's $300 you got for free. So, the dividend strategy. You can make a portfolio where you can earn every month some dividends. An example, here you can see. You can replace your bills with passive income. How nice! Alright, the second strategy for 2020 is growth stocks. Growth stocks is a stock that generates substantially and sustainable positive cash flow and whose revenue and earnings are expected to increase at a faster rate than other companies. The risk reward is much higher here in my opinion. To give you an example, with Tesla, it's a growth stock in my opinion, but it goes up and down a lot. What can you know from a stock code? This is something very important and everybody should know. I'm going to give you an example with Apple. First of all, you can see the company name, of course, very convenient. Then you can see the ticker symbol, where it's traded at which exchange. Here it is, the Nasdaq. The current price is $255. Then you can see the previous close from the last trade day. Then the open price of today. Then the price you can buy for, the price you can sell for, the low and the high point of the day. Then you have the same on a yearly base. Then the volume is how many stocks are traded today. Average volume is how average the volume is. Alright, total worth of company stocks, that's the market cap. But now something very important. The PE ratio relates a company share price to its earning per share. So 255 divided by 11, we have 21. A high PE ratio mostly means the company is overvalued. A low PE ratio means a very good deal. Alright, how do I follow up these companies? Well, first of all, you need to look to two mainly things in my opinion. It's the earning report and press release. Just go to Google, do Apple ER investment relationship, and you will see tons of information. You can see how the company performed, this from each segment, how much money they make or lose. Here I give you an example of a company I personally have and invest in, and it's Callaway Golf Company. Year-to-year change on the quarterly base is 64.5% up, and on the net profits it's 36. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a nice day. Please leave a like and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you with the next one.